Not today, so I figured we don't need to do a lot of running on stage one, so everything's going to happen right here. Each section on this board is considered a port. So there are 3 ports. At each port, you can use any of the holes that are there to shoot through and look through at the 4 targets that are downrange. It may involve canting the rifle one way or another, or pushing the rifle up, but you will be able to get your rifle through somewhere and look through another hole somewhere. Okay, and then it's 4 targets out there through one side, 4 again through the middle, and then 4 through this side. That's it. 12 bullets. That's all you need.
16.
The starting position is going to be standing behind the board, both hands on the rifle at port arms, empty. So as soon as the buzzer goes, load up your rifle.
Ammunition in your hand?
No, both hands on the rifle, ammunition on your body.
Ammunition on your...
Low ready empty.
Low ready full. Oh no, low ready empty start.
Low ready empty.
Low ready empty start.
Port arms, magazine in the pouch.
Good.
No magazine in the rifle.
All right, shooter is ready. Stand by. Stand easy. Shooter is ready. Stand by. Hit! 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 Nice shooting, Bill.
All right.
With your rifle loaded, safety on, low ready. You shoot through this port. There's some targets on the left berm. What do you want?
I'm going to hold it.
No, thank you.
What do you want? You're so gentle.
There are this little target here and this little target here. This one is shot under here. This one is shot under here. The 6 targets on the back berm are shot from here. There are 2 targets on the right berm that are shot from this window, the first window this way. There are 3 targets over here in the weeds that are shot through the back window. There's 1 target behind the pile, behind the dirt pile back there. It is my intent that you do not run around the pile. I want you to run up to the pile and shoot over it. If you run around the pile, that's a failure to do right, basically.
Failure to do right.
And
Fully loaded.
What was your raw time? 37, I think.
not through
Mine
there.
was 37.49, you had 36.80, so we're within it.
That sucks.
I'll tell you what, though, you got to give those little things respect to them. I was trying to take them fairly quickly.
Well, that one is a different color.
The other one.
Center of it. On the start position, and you will be standing right here, behind this table. On the start position, you will pick up your briefcase. Your briefcase has to be either in your right hand or left hand. You may not hook it on something like this. You may not take it and do this. It has to either be in your right hand or your left hand. throughout the entire run. You can't set it down. You will then proceed to this box where you will engage one and only one target of your choice. Once you have done that, you enter the hallway, and you will go all the way down the hallway. When you do it, you will go all the way down the hallway, engage the targets on the left and right side as you see them. You will exit the hallway at the end and deposit the briefcase on those two barrels, on one of the barrels. The briefcase has to be, you can't do this. I want it out of your hand and on there. And if you drop it, if you go like this and just drop it and it falls off, that's going to be a procedural penalty. So make sure it's on there. Then and only then may you engage those two little targets right behind the barrel.
Aha. After you put it down.
After you put it down.
Okay.
All right. Okay, you load mag ready.
Load mag ready?
Yes. You ready? Stand by.
Changing mags.
Wheelchair?
You got to drop that briefcase down on that two white drums down there. Alright, he's done.
Right here, your ass will be in the chair. Upon the buzzer, you shoot all the fucking targets here, however you see them. You're gonna come through here.
That's a walkthrough.
The problem, the issue here is there's one piece of steel down there, the orange swinger, and two plates. You're gonna put orange swinger and two plates underneath, orange swinger, two plates through here.
Not touching it.
Yeah, you can't touch it. Yeah, you're back here, you know, whatever. You just can't touch it. You can't get up on it. You got to be back here. All right, whatever. You can get close to it, but you can't touch it. All right. That's your choice, however you want to do it. And then
Yeah.
negotiate everything through here. Normal shoot house, run around here, blasting like a crazy person.
All right, Dave, you're the man.
And I think you'll have to run down there.
Don't shoot the table. It's cute.
Yeah, don't. You shoot any of this shit. You're so fucking deep.
Wait. That table.
Can't
I don't care about the table. Can't stay there.
Man, I'm glad it's not in the sun.
Okay. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Stand by. Hit. Hit.
There's Greg getting ready. He's up next. All right, there he goes.